This is question number 4. If u varies directly as x square and inversely as the product of yz3, and u is equal to this when x is equal to 8, y is equal to 7 and z is equal to 2, then we will find the value of u. And first solution, first part is u varies directly as x square. U varies directly as x square, Now write here u varies directly as x square. Now this is our first result. Now u varies inversely as the product of y z square, yz3, yz3. This it means u varies 1 over yz3. U varies inversely this, and this is our result 2. By combining 1 and 2, and u varies x square over yz3. So again write this, u is equal to k x square over yz3. Now this we will write this 3, and we put x is equal to, I will write this, and x is equal to 8, and u is equal to 2, x is equal to 8, and y is equal to 7, and z is equal to 2. We put these values here. Z is equal to y3, z is equal to 2 y3. This is 3, not 7. 3, and x is equal to 6. And wrongly write here, not this. We again write the values. U is equal to, and x is equal to 8, y is equal to 7, and y is equal to 7, and z is equal to 2. Now put these values in this, and write this value. This again, u is equal to k x square over y z cube, and u write here 2 is equal to k x square is equal to 8, square, and over y is equal to 7, and z is equal to, this z is equal to 2, and 2, 3. Now 2 is equal to k, and 8 is 64 over 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to k 64 over 56, 2 is equal to k 64 over 56, and k is equal to 2 multiplied by reciprocal of this 56 over 64, 56 over. Now 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2 4s, and k is equal to 56 over 32, and 4 8s are 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, and 4 8s are. Again here 2 7s are 2 4s. Now put the value of k, and u is equal to k 7 by 4 as x square over y z cube, and we put the value here. This is x is equal to 6. You find here x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. Now we put this value here. U is equal to 7 by 4 multiplied by 6 square over 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. U is equal to 7 by 4 multiplied by 36 over 3 multiplied by 8, and 4 1s are 4 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are, and we have u is equal to 7 3s are 21 over 8, and again u is equal to 7 by 4 x square over y z cube. Now this is the result of this. Now the question number 5. This is the question number 5. This is question number 5. Keep quiet. Quiet. Solution. V varies directly as the product of x y3, and we write this V directly x y3. This is our first result, and V varies inversely as z square is, and this is our second result. By combining 1 and 2, we write V varies as x y3 over z square, and we write this V k x y3 over z square, and we want to find out k, this, and we write this V is equal to 27 and x is equal to 7, y is equal to 6, and z is equal to 7. Z is equal to 7. Now put this value here. 27 k x is 7 multiplied by 3, y is 6 power 3 over z square 7 square, and 27 is equal to k, and multiply 7 multiplied by 6 the cube, and write this 36 multiplied by 6 is equal to 216 over 49. 7 1s are 7 7s are 49. and we write here 27k is equal to 216 over 7, and k is equal to 27, and this will become the reciprocal of this. Then go to the left side and write 7 over 216. Now this, and write this 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49, 4, 7 twos are 14, and 4 189 over 216. Now 27 multiplied by is equal to, yes, 27 multiplied by 7, 189. 189, this 189 divided by 216 is equal to 7 by 8. This 7 by 8. Now we write this. Now k is equal to, now we write value of k in functions, and v is equal to k, x y3 over z square. Now put the value of k, we have find 7 by 8 x y3 over z square. Now we want to find v here. We find here x is equal to 6, y is equal to, and z is equal to 3. Yes. So put this value here. V is equal to 7 by 8 multiplied by x 6 and y 3 2 power 3 over 3 square. This v is equal to 7 by 8 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8 over 9. 8 will cancel this, and v is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 over 9, and 3 2s are 3 3s are, and 7 2s are 14 over 3. v is equal to 14 over 3, and so v is equal to 7 by 8 x by 3 over z square. Now this last part of this question is this: if w varies inversely as the cube of u3, now this solution, w varies inversely as the cube of u. Now we write this: w varies 1 over u cube, and w is equal to k 1 over u cube. Now we find k, and w is equal to 5 and u is equal to 3. Put this value here. W is equal to 5. This 5, this k, and 1 over u is 3, and 3 3. 5 is equal to k 1 over 27, and k is equal to 5 over 27. No 27. 5 k is equal to 5 multiplied 27. Now this k is equal to, and we multiply 5 sevens are 35, 3 5 twos are 10, and 3 130. It means 135. 27 multiplied 5 is equal to 130. Now put values k. W is equal to 135 and 1 over u3, and w is equal to, we find here value, and and when u is equal to 6, u is equal to 6. W is equal to 135 over u 6 cube. 6 cube. W is equal to 135 over 216. Now 216 sorry 135 divided by 216 is equal to 5 by 8. W is equal to 5 by 8 and W is equal to 135 and 1 over u cube. Now this is the end of this exercise.